Okay, very good afternoon here on the 18th of October 2018. The time is 2:02 p.m. and in an hour I'll be presenting on the Round the Clock Trader Summit webinar hosted by the London Investment Week, and I will be talking about the trades that we've taken here in the live trading room, which we also called on the Round the Clock Trader Summit as well. So the first one of those trades, of course, was on this one here, the Euro US dollar. Let's grab the Epic pen which we use for the presentations here so I can draw on the screen while I'm discussing this with you, and you'll see straight away that we basically picked this market here as the top. So we called this as the market top on the Tuesday when the first Round the Clock Trader Summit presentation was done by myself. I didn't have any of this data. I couldn't see this primary here or this bar here which created a primary high. I couldn't see any of that information at all. So all we had is that bar to go off, and we called the market. We entered on the close of this bar here. You can see that by the dashed green line, and we put our protective stop on the high of this bar just here. So a couple of things into today. You can see one of the things I want to declare up front as well is I actually made a mistake on this trade, because we set the target at 114.82 instead of 114.85. I've revised that now, and as a result of that, you can see actually the market did trade at the target level, but we were never exited because of spread. It was a mistake that we made here in the live trading room team, and it's something that I've taken up with the team this morning so we can correct that and not make such mistakes in the future. But obviously that's going to be quite an expensive mistake if the price doesn't go back down to that level and chooses to turn at this point, which of course is very possible. Now we know statistically that only 22.76% of trades reach this price level here, where we're looking to bank out for around £2,000, I believe. We're currently up £1,657. We're looking to bank out for 1,977 at this stage. Now, that's the Euro US dollar. There are a couple of other trades as well. This is the Euro Japanese yen. Yesterday we trailed this into the market onto the low of this reversal primary. That then clipped us out this morning, which was a little bit unlucky. But in any case, we're going to go back and research and prove statistically if we should or shouldn't be trailing with these reversal primary setups like this on the Euro Japanese yen. If we're not meant to be, then and the statistics hold, we get a better net profit by not trailing, then we're going to remove the trailing rule for reversal primaries within 5 days. It's an important rule, but we were stopped out of that trade. So we made a loss of around £400, £450 I believe. And also then the dollar yen is the other trade that we're running just here, and you can see we're long on the dollar yen from the close of the market just here. We put our protective stop here. We've now trailed it to the low of this bar. Into today, we'll look for an opportunity to trail to the low of this bar. I don't know if we will get it or not, but this does look as though it's currently proceeding higher. It is in a profit, and we have a profit target at the top just here. But you can see currently rolling on the market. I haven't switched over to the liftoff account just because of a lack of time today in today's recording. I want to get ready for the webinar in 55 minutes. But you can see here that we are short Euro dollar. We're currently still holding short. I've changed my target to 114.85 to compensate for the mistake that was made. From 114.82 is where we had the target. So I've compensated for that mistake, and we have put that on there. So if that is, of course, hit, then that's great. If it's not, then it will be a very valuable learning lesson for all of us here in the team. And a very costly mistake as well. So that's it from me. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.